we're going to put a Panhard Corrector in there. We've had a lot of requests to see whether this can be done on the ground. In theory, it might actually be easier to do on the ground than on the hoist, so let's find out. I moved a fair bit. I think it'll be fine. Look at that. Cool. Okay. Might not be that hard at all. Okay, getting there. I'll ratchet strap it. Actually, that was really easy to do. Doesn't need much. I think when it's hanging, because of the full weight of the axle sort of doesn't want to move. Perfect. Everything clears. Very nice. Cool.
Thoughts on doing the Panhard on the ground?
It's not that bad at all, really. Especially if your car's lifted, you get a bit of space. Adjusting the axle with the ratchet strap's actually easier. The axle seems to move easier when everything's on the ground, and maybe it's because there's a bit of weight taken up, whereas when it's up on the hoist, everything's hanging, and I don't know, but it wasn't too bad at all.